Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace a PDF page using EaseUS PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and I'll replace this first page, this PDF file, and I'll insert here another new page. Firstly click on this page and select. Now select this pages option and here you will find this replace option. Click here and open your folder and select your pages, and I'll insert this page and select OK. And this replace pages page range, I select this one page already and with pages 1 and simply select OK. Yes, and see this page is now replaced for first page. Also I will replace this last page. Again place pages and replace and open it folder and save this page. Okay. And select yes and see this. In this way you can replace all of these pages or a specific pages. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.